See, it keeps on blinking. I charged the two watches and the other one is working good. As you can see, it's not blinking. And this one is always blinking. I think there's a defect. Can I make a refund or change